234 Media Bio. Subscribe, like, share, that's it.
Let's learn about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is pollution caused due to the accumulation of plastic objects, such as plastic bags, bottles, wrappers, etc., in the water bodies and lands, which adversely affect the biosphere. So when plastic bottles, plastic bags, and plastic litters gets accumulated in the land and water body, that's what we refer to as plastic pollution. This picture might give you a clear idea of what plastic pollution is. See how dirty it is, due to the accumulation of plastic litters all throughout the seashore. And finally, plastic is non-biodegradable. So what are the sources of plastic pollution? Firstly, too much use of plastic items. Plastic items are used in almost every aspects of life, because they are cheap. Every solid and liquid items are available in plastic packaging. Poor plastic waste management. Plastic wastes should be dumped in an entirely separate dustbin, and not mix with other kinds of wastes. Plastic bottles and wrappers. People buy food and drinks in plastic bottles and wrappers, and simply throw them on the land or in water body, which eventually leads to pollution. Takeout containers. Improper dumping of takeout containers, which are made up of plastic. Industrial use. A lot of plastic items are used in factories, and they ain't dumped properly. This is one of the major contribution of plastic pollution. Now, what are the effects of plastic pollution? Firstly, it affects aquatic life. Plastic pollution affects the aquatic life by disrupting the aquatic ecosystem. The plastic litters flowing in the water blocks oxygen coming from the atmosphere, light coming from outside, and pathways for swimming. Next, water pollution. The plastic litters pollutes the water bodies. Soil pollution, and this is exactly like the previous water pollution. Plastic litters on the land blocks the air from the atmosphere, making the soil infertile and unfit for cultivation. Also, it makes the soil or land dirty. Drainage system problem. The plastic litters gets accumulated in the drainage systems, blocking the way for water to flow out. Lastly, plastic ingestion. Scientists have found plastic contents in the digestive tract of various dead animals. Probably they think plastic as food, and eating them might cause their death. So here we are now, solutions to plastic pollution. Using an alternate solution. Replacing plastic with jute and paper can be a solution. Jute and paper pollutes the environment very less than plastic, and can be disposed of without causing much harm to the environment. Reusing plastic items. Plastic bags, cups, and bottles can be used again and again by simply cleaning and washing them. Furthermore, plastic items can serve for a long time, so instead of disposing them, let's reuse them. Recycle. Plastic items that can't be used anymore should be recycled. Proper waste management. Plastic items should be dumped properly in an entirely separate dustbin. Also, the dustbins should be closed with lid, so that the trash doesn't travel anywhere through wind or running water. Factory waste management. Factories shouldn't be dumping their wastes into the land and water bodies. Instead, they should store it properly and send them to recycling center. Finally, educating people. People should be made aware of plastic pollution, their hazardous effects, and their solutions. We can do this through social media, launching campaigns, teaching about this to school students, etc. Also, 1234 Media Bio is doing this by making such videos. So that was the end of the video. How was it? Let me know down in the comment section. I'll again meet you in the next video. Now give this video a like. And subscribe to 1234 Media Bio to gain more knowledge.